In this video, we are gonna check our resources consumption from cPanel. In URL, type your domain URL, then cPanel, and press enter. It will redirect you to cPanel login interface. Here, put your username and password of your cPanel. Then click on Login. It will redirect you to cPanel dashboard. In Dashboard, scroll down, you can see Metrics option here. In Metrics option, you can see Resource Usage. Click on it. It will take you to Resource Usage page. You can see No Issue, or you may see Resource Limit Issue. Now click on Details option. You see all usage here. You can scroll down and see Graphical View and Tabular of usage. You can also see history according to different time frame and time unit. I hope this will help you. Thank you.